welcome back. اليوم we're gonna be explaining this mean, median and mode. إنزين mean okay wait أول شي بسوي explanation. Mean is all the numbers, you add them, so add all numbers in list over the number of numbers in list. That's basically it. You'll see when I explain the questions. Okay. حق الميديان is just the middle, so you put the list in order, and the one in the middle is the median. It's kind of self-explanatory. With the mode is the one that gets repeated the most amount of times in the list. Okay, let's start with question 1. أول شيء, first thing, we're gonna reorder everything from smallest to biggest. 8 بعدين 10 بعدين 11 بعدين 15 okay 16 17 20 و 28. With the number of numbers in the list is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6 7 8. okay, to get the mean you add 8 plus 10 plus 11 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus 20 plus 28 divided by the number of numbers in the list, 8. And you get 125 divided by 8, which is 15.625. And that is the mean. حق الميديان because it's an even number in the list, in this big fat list, the median is 15 and 16 because you know it's an even number. 15 plus 16 plus 16 divided by 2 is 15.5. For the mode, there is no mode because no numbers repeat. No repeats. Okay, for question 2, we're gonna do the exact same thing as we did with question 1. أول شيء we're gonna reorder all the numbers in order from smallest to biggest. Let's start 1.1 بعدين 2.5 بعدين 3.5 بعدين 3.9 and then 4.0 and 5.3 6.2 6.4 6.4 again and then 7.0. For the mean, we're gonna add everything. بس بكتب add everything. Okay, over 1 2 3 3 4 5 6 7 6 7 8 9 10. Add everything over 10 and we get 46.3 divided by 10 equals 4.63. And that's the mean. حق الميديان, again, it's a even list, so we go in the middle and we get 4 and 5.3. To get the median, we do 4 plus 5.3 divided by 2. خلني أكتب إن this is the median. Okay, and we got 4.65. Okay, for the mode, there's only one number that repeats. It's 6.4. Notice when I was writing the list, قلت again. The mode is just 6.4 because it repeated twice. For question 3, it looks different, but it's really the same. We're gonna do the same thing we did with the other questions. We're gonna sort all the numbers in order from smallest to biggest. So let's start 1, and then 1, and then 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We should have 10 numbers. صح. Okay. To get the mean, we're gonna add everything. For 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, which is 33. And there's 10 numbers. 33 divided by 10 is 3.3. That's the mean. For the median, okay, it's in the middle, 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 divided by 2 is 2.5. And the mode is the one that repeats the most. And there's 1, 2, 3 twos. Oops. Okay. So the mode is 2. Yep. For question 4, it's the exact same thing. We're just gonna do it again. Sorting it, we get 10 and 10 and 20, 30, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 110. Okay, to get the mean, we're gonna add everything, and we get 600 over, there's 12 numbers. If you count them, you get 12. So 600 divided by 12 is 50. And yeah, that's the mean. The mean is 50. The median is, if you go in the middle, put your phone, 40 and 50 is in the middle. صح? Yeah. 40 and 50 is in the middle. For 40 plus 50 divided by 2, خلني أكتب median. Okay, is equal to 45. And for the mode, which one repeats the most? Mode. 10 and 30 both repeat twice. So the mode is 10 and 30 because they both repeat twice. Question 5 is really easy. We'll do it as سريع. Sorting it, we get 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, 8, 11. Okay. Quickly أقدر أقول إن المود is 3 because it repeats twice. فمود 3. And the mean, if you add everything, you get 35. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 35 divided by 7 is 5. So the mean is 5. And the median, it's actually really easy, then it's an odd number. So the median is 4 because it's in the middle. Yay, median. I like this because it's odd. فيبين median. Okay, so for example 1, we're gonna find the range in each set. To find the range, أول شي بكتب range. Oops. خطي. Okay, range is largest minus the smallest, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so for the range in question 1, the smallest is 12 and the largest is 53. 53 minus 12 equals 41, and that's the range in question 1. In question 2, the largest is 141, the smallest is 125, ف 141 minus 125 16. Okay, question 3. Largest is 111, smallest is 49, range is 111 minus 49, which is 62. And question 4, the largest is 9.3 and smallest is 3.7. 9.3 minus 3.7 is equal to 5.6. 5.6. Okay. For 5, largest is 45, smallest is 25. 45 minus 25 is equal to 20, and that's the range. الحين حق example 2 for the 5 number summary. أول شيء بشرح what the 5 number summary is. زين, the 5 number summary is the 5 important numbers that define the set. Okay, and it consists of the minimum, and then Q1. Q1 means the middle of the lower half. Okay, بعدين the median. بعدين Q3, which is the middle of the upper half. Okay, and then the maximum, and that is the 5 number summary. Okay, I'm very sorry عشان صوتي. ما هالستايل. Okay, I'm بحاول أخلص بسرعة. The minimum here is when I got lost. Okay, where was I? What? ضيعت. I'm so sorry. Okay. أول شيء we're gonna sort them for 309, and then 311, and then 312, and then 312 again, and then 314, and then 399. Okay, and the minimum is 309, the maximum is 399, and Q1, so we take the lower half, and this is the upper half. Okay, Q1 would is it Q1? Lower half. المهم the median of the lower half is 311, and the median of the upper half is 314. For the 5 number summary would be minimum 309, and then the middle of the upper half 311, and then the median. Median is 312. Okay, 312, and then the middle of the upper half, which is 314, and then the maximum, which is 399. I'm so sorry عشان خطي. Drawing a box plot, I think it's like this, مو متأكد. Whoops, I'm so sorry, نسيت شو رسمة البوكس plot. Okay, ف 309, and then it's like this, and then هنا 399, and then I'm so sorry. What is this supposed to look like? So it's like 311 هنا, 311. Okay, and then I think it's like this. Yeah, like هذا أكبر, and then 312 like this, 312. Okay, and then 314 هنا, and then yeah, something like this. I'm gonna send the box plot thing. Okay, example 3, interquartile interquartile. My voice is gone. interquartile range. إنزين ما أظني بحلهم كلهم بس عادي. Okay. Question 11. أول شيء we're gonna sort everything. 27 بعدين 33 36 38 43 50 51 68 81. Okay. أنا I'm such a dumbass. Okay. interquartile range IQR is equal to Q3 minus Q1. Okay. What does that mean? It means the middle of the upper half minus big minus middle of lower half. Yay. Okay. الحين أقدر أشرح السؤال هذا. Where was I? Yeah, okay. The upper half is this. This is the lower half. This is the upper half. And this is the median. Okay. The Q1, which is the median of the first one, is 33 plus 36 divided by 2, which is 34.5. And for here, it's 51 and 68. 51 plus 68 divided by 2 is equal to 59.5. الحين نسوي 59.5 minus 34.5 equals 25. And that is the interquartile range for question 11. I don't know if I should solve all of them. They're all literally the same. بحل هذا because it looks hard. Sorting it, we get 5.3 بعدين 6.3 6.8 7.1 7.3 7.9 8.2 8.4 8.8 and then 9.2. And the lower half is this, and the upper half is is it the rest? I can't count. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4. Yeah, this is the upper half. Easy. In fact, this is the middle of the upper half, lower half, for 6.8, and then this is the middle of the upper half, 8.4. If I do 8.4 minus 6.8, and you get 1.6, and that is the interquartile range. Dunsies. Okay. Standard deviation. This is the way I wish it was explained to me. But yeah, this is good. The method to find the standard variation, it's 5 steps. Step 1, find the mean. Find the mean. Okay? Step 2, I can't talk, sorry. Numbers, distance from the mean. خطي زبالة. mean. Okay. 3. Square the distances. Step 4. Find the average. This is called variance. Average of distances. No. Average of the squares. And then step 5 is square root of the variance. يعني شي بسوي variance. Okay, my handwriting is bad. I'm sorry. عادي. Okay. Let's just begin with question 16. It's a small list. I like this. It's more مثل the one in the PowerPoint that was hard. This is nice. I like it. Okay. أول شيء we find the mean. Let's do 9 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11. Oh, في 6 بعد. Plus 6. Okay. Over 5. We get 9. Okay. That's the mean. The mean is 9. I'm gonna write that down. Mean equal 9. Okay. And then we find the distances from the mean. يعني 10 minus 9. Or 9 minus 9. Or 11 minus 9. Oops. And 6 minus 9. And 9 minus 9. Okay. And then the distances are 1, 0, 2, -3, and then 0 again. Okay. And then you square everything. For 1 squared, 0 squared, 2 squared, -3 squared, and then 0 squared again. And then the squares are 1, 0, 4, 9, 0 again. And then you find the average of the squares. So you do, I'm gonna leave out the zeros. 1 plus 4 plus 9 is 14. صح؟ لا. Yeah, 14. Anyways, divided by 5. Oh, كان مفروض أخلي zeros honestly. Plus 0 plus 0. Okay. So you got 14 divided by 5. And you get 2.8. وهذا الفاريانس. To get the standard deviation, SD, is equal to root variance. And then, so we do the square root of 2.8, and we get, the answer is actually 1.67. بس in 2 decimal places, 1.7. Oh, I suck at explaining what. Okay, for question 17, I'll do it again, بس slowly, عشان ناخذ راحتنا ويا السؤال ونفهم كيف ناخذ standard deviation بدون فلسفة عشان ما يبلد. Okay, فأول شيء we're gonna find the mean. So we got 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 9 divided by 6. I think it's 30 divided by 6. So, just doing the math. Yeah, okay. We got 5. For the mean is equal to 5. Okay. خلني أمسح these ones. Okay. Now. We need to find the distances. أول شيء. For 6 minus 5 and 8 minus 5 and 2 minus 5 and 3 minus 5 and 2 minus 5 and 9 minus 5. 5. For 6 minus 5 is 1. 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. 2 minus 5 is -3, and 9 minus 5 is 4. Square all of them. For squaring all the distances, فنسوي chi, 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 chi. 1, 9, 9, 4, 9, 16. And then we find the variance, which is 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 divided by 6. So it's 48 divided by 6, which is 8, and this is the variance. And we know that the standard deviation is the square root of the variance بس بكتب var انزين ف SD is equal to the square root of 8 which equals 2.8. Yay.